Hey, what up YouTube, this is Tech here, back with another video. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Galaxy Note 9. I was lucky enough to get this device 2 days after it was released, but it is officially coming out August 24th. Let's open the box and show you guys what is inside. This box is actually the regular packaging you would expect from Samsung. The only difference with this box is that it doesn't say that this is the Note 9 on the front. Instead, Samsung is actually putting the color of the pen outside, so that way you know which version you got. So in the box, you're going to find your regular user guides, which no one reads. You get a SIM card tray tool. After your user guides, you can see that the phone is next. And you can see that this device doesn't have the regular plastic that you will get when you get your brand new one. That's because I got this device 2 days ago and I couldn't make the video, so I had to open it and use it. I couldn't wait to make this video. But yeah, I've been using this device for 2 days now. Also in the box, you're going to get your AKG headphones, which is now a thing for Samsung for the past 2 years. You also get your USB Type-C cable and some pen tips, and also you get your power brick. Actually, the power brick is not going to be in this video. I actually, like I said before, I was using this phone 2 days ago. I got the power brick out and I couldn't find it. I misplaced it. I apologize for that. And one more thing that you get is the Samsung Smart Transfer tool. This is actually to move data from a previous phone, like it could be an iPhone, it could be any type of phone. Now guys, I'm not sure about you, but I love the design of this device. Actually, there's not much difference between the Galaxy Note 8 and the Note 9, but there are a few changes. For example, the pen now supports low power Bluetooth, which is great. Now you can use the pen to take pictures, and I'm sure you will be able to use it for more things in the near future. Also different is the display. The display is actually a little bigger. This time around, the display is 6.4. Last year it used to be 6.3 on the Galaxy Note 8. Also, the location of the fingerprint scanner is actually different. It's right below the camera, like we have seen it on the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Before, it used to be next to the camera, which was a nightmare. I had so many problems with it, and I really got tired to the point that I wasn't using it. The setup is a little different. It's a little high, but I still don't mind because my hands are, they're not too small and they're not too big. So personally, it's not a problem for me. Also, a big change that we have this time around on the Galaxy Note 9 is the battery. Note users know that they use this device for the power that it has, for the power that it provides. And it was actually lacking on the battery department, and Samsung finally got to it. This device has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which is huge. It's actually one of the first phones to have one this large. Now don't worry about these batteries. They're not going to explode on you like they did on the Note 7. They have an 8 battery point check nowadays, so we should be safe. Another difference with the Galaxy Note 9 is the color. The colors are now blue and purple. Samsung actually completely eliminated the black version, at least in the United States. Pretty sure they're going to sell the black version in Europe. Also, depending on the color that you get, your screen off memos are actually going to match the color of the pen. So for example, if you have the blue version, the pen is actually yellow. So the screen off memos that you take are actually going to be written in yellow. Also, for the purple version, there's a purple pen, so your screen off memos are going to be purple. I mean, this is just a tiny difference, but that's for those where these little details matter. Also, something new that we get this year is that we have 2 different storage capacities. This one that I got is actually the 128, which is $1,000. There is another version that is the 512 gigabytes version, which is $1,250. The storage is completely getting crazy. 2 years ago, we were getting devices that had a storage of 16 gigs, which, in 2 years, a lot changed. So again, the 2 versions are 128 gigabytes, which is $1,000, and then we have a 512 gigabytes, which is $1,250. And to be honest, I think that's too much money, and you can do a lot with that money. Also, performance was improved on this device. It's actually really fast. I actually love how this device handles. There's no lag at all. There were also changes on the camera department. Samsung says that this device is actually going to give you better pictures by using AI. So they're going to automatically adjust the lighting, the scene. It will automatically analyze the subjects that you're taking photos of, and it will set the lighting, color, and actually everything, and let you take a better picture automatically. Now, would I recommend this device? I actually would. It really depends. If you think you're not going to get some use out of this pen, then you're better off with the Galaxy S9 or the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, if you're someone like me who like the ability to have the pen on a phone, then definitely go for it. And guys, this is pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this one. Also subscribe, and as always, catch me in the next video.